y'all, hey, it's Erica with Time to Shrink. Just got back from Walmart. I have the worst cold. I feel like complete crud, but needed to get this done so I can get meal prepping done. So let's get right into the Walmart haul and then we'll go over the meal plan for the week. This is the Walmart haul for the week. Let's talk about it. All right, double pack of honey ham. The kids really like this one. Then this is sliced salami. I'm doing kind of like Italian roll-ups for them this week. Some Mission Carb Balance wraps for their lunches. Sausage for, I'm doing jalapeno poppers. And for breakfast casserole, this is the chorizo sausage, same one I had bought last week. And I am going to use this and a cheese sauce to stuff some poblano peppers. So super excited about that. Also jalapenos for jalapeno poppers, some zucchini for a sheet pan chicken that I'm doing, some radishes for a beef roast in the Instant Pot. Those, if you do them in the Instant Pot or slow cooker while you're making a beef roast, they become like potato-like consistency. So good. Mushrooms, I can't even remember what those are for. Oh, for my sheet pan chicken meal. I got 2 things of rice cauliflower. I got 4 things of these Steam Fresh. I find the best prices at Walmart. These are less than $2 each. And some of my kids like broccoli and some of my kids like cauliflower, so this is a perfect frozen veggie for us. So I got 4 of these. A big thing of broccoli for broccoli cheese soup. I'm feeling sick this week, so I'm gonna make some soup. I don't know if I'll use broccoli cheese or something else, but this will be for broccoli cheese soup at some point. Dozen eggs for egg casserole, some chicken stock for making soup. This is something I've never bought before. It's duck fat cooking oil. Duck fat is such a great, friendly, keto-friendly fat, and so I don't know. I just thought I'd try this out. I don't know. Basil pesto. This brand has pretty good, decent ingredients. Let's see. For 2 tablespoons, there is 16 fat, 0 sugars, 1 carb, 2 protein. So that's not bad. Found a new Rotel. It's a Chipotle Rotel, so I just picked that up. My husband needed some coffee, so I got him a couple things for the Keurig. I got a double pack of Alfredo sauce. Yep, 2 carbs, 2 protein. Not the cleanest ingredients or best thing ever. I really prefer to make my own Alfredo sauce and it's really easy, but I feel like crud this week. So that may be an emergency backup meal if I don't feel like cooking. I got this cheese dip, white cheese dip in the Mexican section, and it is only 1 gram of carb per serving. Again, not the best ingredient list in the entire world, but I just felt like trying it. Some feta cheese for my sheet pan chicken meal. 2 things, there's 4 actually in here, of Philadelphia cream cheese, a lactate eggnog and a regular eggnog for kids and husband, some squeezy sour cream. This is great for tacos or whatever. It's easy to just squeeze their own on. 2 things of gluten-free waffles for my little man, some yogurt, pineapple yogurt for my son, some pimento cheese, and then 3 things of Kerrygold butter. I like that Walmart sells them in the stick, so if you're using them for baking, it's so much easier to measure. So I like to get those at Walmart. So I think that is everything. That's the Walmart haul, y'all. Let's get into meal planning. All right, let's meal plan, y'all. As always, I come to my little command center here in the kitchen, and first thing I do is look at my calendar and then plan out what nights I need what kind of meals, if we're gonna be out of town or things like that. And then I come down here to my meal planning board, I grab that and do my meal planning. So let's go over it. All right, so this is my meal planning board. After I look at my calendar, I go ahead and make out my meal plan according to what days I'm going to be in town, what days I'm not. This week, I can already tell you, I'm going to have to modify a little bit because I thought we were home this weekend, but apparently I'm not. I will be leaving Friday to go to Raleigh for a soccer tournament and won't be back till Sunday afternoon. So some of this I will prep ahead for my husband to have over the weekend, but I am going to have to make a few adaptations. All right, anyways, right into the meal plan. Monday, I plan to do cheeseburgers in a bowl, so like kind of over lettuce with some kielbasa type sausages. and veggies on the side. Tuesday is, the plan was to do a sheet pan Greek chicken, zucchini, and mushrooms. As I am recording this, it is Tuesday, and I actually changed that and did chorizo stuffed poblano peppers that night, and they were freaking amazing. Wednesday did leftovers, or plan to do leftovers. Thursday, I'm going to do pork roast with mashed loaded cauliflower. Friday was supposed to be date night, but I'll be going out of town that evening, so we'll be eating on the road. Saturday, I'll be eating on the road, but I will have this Instant Pot roast prepped. My husband and 2 of my kids will be here, so I will have that prepped for them to cook on Saturday. I'll just have it all ready probably and just leave the little instructions for my husband to finish it off. Instant Pot is so freaking easy, so that'll be easy. And then Sunday, I plan to make meatballs. I may get those made ahead of time so that all they have to do is be heated up. If not, then Sunday will probably be leftovers or Alfredo or something like that. This is my meal prep area where I plan out when I'm going to meal prep. This week I'm planning to do jalapeno poppers. I always make a breakfast casserole of some sort. Sausage balls. Going to shred some cheese, cook up some bacon, always have kids' lunches to make, and then I wanted to make a soup. I decided to do a spin on my buffalo chicken dip and make a buffalo chicken soup, and then I'll have bacon to sprinkle on top of it, and I probably might even sprinkle some blue cheese on top of it. I think that sounds really good. And then just down here is my grocery list that I take with me to go to the grocery store. And this week, as I've already shared, I did go to Walmart. So that is the meal plan for the week.